Hello everyone. Today join us on a journey to one of the wildest regions of our planet, the Savannah. This is not just the home of lions, elephants, and antelopes, but also a place that witnesses the constant struggle between life and death in the harshest of natures. The savanna is a type of grassland with a hot and humid climate and distinct rainy seasons. It is home to a multitude of species that thrive in these endless plains, while also confronting extreme survival challenges. Covering an area of up to 5 million square kilometers, the savanna accounts for 20% of Africa's landmass and characterizes regions such as Kenya, Tanzania, and Zambia. The savanna is a uniquely rich ecosystem supporting thousands of species. Antelopes, zebras, and hyenas face off against lions and leopards in a daily battle for survival. What makes the savanna truly special is its fragile balance between life and death. From spectacular hunts to moments of unity among species, everything here deserves to be explored. The lion and the gazelle, a dance of predator and prey. Amidst the tall grass, a pair of glowing golden eyes watches over a herd of gazelles. The lion, the ultimate predator, moves silently, each step as quiet as death itself, stalking its prey. The moment the gazelles let their guard down, the lion leaps like lightning, charging straight into the herd. Frenzied footsteps echo, and clouds of dust rise into the air. But life on the savannah spares no room for the slow. A weak, young gazelle falls behind the herd, and with a precise strike, the hunt ends in the lion's favor. The lion triumphs, but its survival depends on its ability to hunt every single day. The crocodile and the wildebeest's deadly river crossing. Each year, thousands of wildebeests embark on a great migration in search of lush green pastures. But standing in their way is the Mara River, a death trap for the daring. Herds gather on the riverbank, hesitating before the murky waters. Crocodiles launch themselves like missiles, their razor-sharp jaws clamping down on unlucky prey. A wildebeest is dragged beneath the water, its desperate struggles fading into silence. Yet the herd's strength lies in its numbers. The survivors quickly cross to the other side, leaving the crocodiles with a meager meal after the chaos. The battle between elephants and lions. Elephants, the giants of the savannah, are rarely prey to any predator. But when hunger strikes, even lions dare to take on the challenge. A pride of lions stalks a herd of elephants guiding their young across the plains. Their eyes are not set on the adults, but on the weakest link, the calves. However, elephants are not easily subdued. Sensing danger, the adult elephants quickly form a defensive circle, using their tusks and trunks to shield the young. The lions charge, but a powerful swing of an elephant's trunk can deliver devastating injuries. After several tense moments, the lions retreat, defeated, leaving the elephant herd to continue their journey unscathed. The Leopard and the Baboon, a battle of wits. Amidst the dense canopies of the savannah, baboons, intelligent and agile creatures, become the target of a fearsome predator, the leopard. Unlike other predators, the leopard doesn't strike from the ground. Instead, it stealthily climbs the trees, its paws moving silently closer to the unsuspecting baboons busy foraging for food. But baboons are not easily outsmarted. One vigilant baboon spots the threat and lets out a loud alarm. Instantly, the troop rallies, launching a counterattack by hurling rocks, branches, and unleashing ear-piercing screams to intimidate the leopard. The battle is not just a chase, but a tense contest of cunning and strategy. In the end, if the leopard isn't quick and clever, it must retreat, defeated by the collective intelligence of the baboons. Vultures and hyenas, the battle over a carcass. High above, wide wings soar as flocks of vultures circle around a carcass abandoned in the open plains. But the hyenas have arrived first. The scavengers snarl and tear into the remains, feasting greedily on the prize. However, the vultures are not so easily deterred. Gathering in overwhelming numbers, they dive in from all directions, their sharp beaks striking relentlessly. The relentless assault forces the hyenas to either retreat or leave behind scraps of the meat. This battle may not draw blood, but it is a stark testament to the unforgiving harshness of nature. The battle between the eagle and the black mamba. In the skies above the savannah, an eagle soars, scanning the ground for its next meal. Its razor-sharp eyes lock onto a black mamba, a deadly assassin slithering through the underbrush. With breathtaking speed, the eagle dives, talons as sharp as daggers aimed at its prey. Its razor-sharp eyes lock onto a black mamba, a deadly assassin slithering through the underbrush. With breathtaking speed, the eagle dives, talons as sharp as daggers aimed at its prey. The clash between sky and earth is a tense, life-or-death struggle. A missed strike from the snake spells its doom as the eagle's talons tear into it. Yet, a single mistake by the eagle, a drop of venom, is all it takes to end the reign of the master of the skies. Not everything in the savannah is about conflict. There are incredible symbiotic relationships where species coexist to survive. The Oxpecker, the wild doctor of the savannah. Across the vast grasslands of the savannah, beneath the radiant sun and whispering winds, lives a small bird with an extraordinary role in the ecosystem. The Oxpecker, nature's very own doctor for the giants of the wild. When you spot rhinos, buffaloes, or giraffes ambling across the plains, look closely. Perched on their backs are often a few oxpeckers, seemingly just hitching a ride. But these little birds are more than mere passengers. They diligently hunt for and consume parasites like ticks, fleas, and even bits of dead skin on their massive hosts. This behavior not only provides the oxpecker with a steady meal, but also offers relief to the large animals by reducing itchiness and discomfort. It's a fascinating and perfect symbiotic relationship in the natural world. The oxpecker isn't just a doctor, it also acts as an early warning system. With sharp eyes and a keen sense of danger, these birds emit their distinctive calls to alert their hosts of approaching predators. Thanks to this partnership, animals like rhinos and buffaloes can detect threats early and prepare to defend themselves. One of the oxpecker's more intriguing behaviors is its tendency to drink blood from open wounds on its hosts. This peculiar habit adds a layer of mystery to the bird, which plays both the role of a helpful companion and occasionally a bothersome partner. The oxpecker's dual nature and its role in maintaining the balance of the savanna's ecosystem showcase the intricate and often surprising interconnections of life in the wild. The savanna is not just vital for wildlife, but also globally significant for maintaining ecological balance. Conservation areas like Serengeti and Masai Mara work tirelessly to protect endangered species from extinction. However, the savanna is under threat from climate change and human activities. Let's explore how we can contribute to safeguarding this magical land. The savannah is a natural wonder, where life and death intertwine, and every moment is worth cherishing. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue bringing you more captivating stories from the wild. Goodbye and see you next time.